Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and this cloud sofa from Ihanherry has been such a great addition to our home. First of all, I wish you could feel how comfortable this is through the camera. It really is like sitting on a cloud. The cushions may appear flat right out of the box, but I would say after a few hours, they were nice and fluffy, and I feel like they got bigger as the days went on. When it comes to size, my husband is 6'4" and he can lay completely straight on this couch. We never thought we would see the day. I'm 5'4" and more on the fun size, and you could probably fit 10 more of me on this couch. We both felt supported in the back and the legs, which can sometimes be hard to find, especially if you're taller, but this did not disappoint. It's also perfect for cuddling because it can hold both of us easily with room to spare. In other words, if you have a big family, this sofa has you covered. Putting it together was simple. It took me about an hour to do by myself, and everything is included. Once together, it feels sturdy and well made, and I love the fabric. It's so soft on the skin, not irritating at all. I adore this sofa and I love the warm, homey feeling it gives to my living room. And after a long day, I look forward to relaxing on it or taking a nap or two or three. I'm telling you, even while filming this video, there were moments I did not want to get up. This is hands down one of the best sofas I've ever had the pleasure of sitting on. So if you're looking for a new sofa, do yourself a favor and give this one a try. It's definitely a win in our book, and that's our point of view.